Welcome to Run Trouble Hub, father and son.
This is it, people. He's Ron, I am Ron. He's father, but I am son. Kick us yesterday again now. It's Liverpool Street there. So this is where you come to tap it. Yo people, wagwan, welcome back. I'm there with the great grandpa. This is the well-experienced carpenter. And we're there build a table, a specialized table for downstairs in our basement. So it's a build in a way where whatever you buy at IKEA, which one, that one there? Whatever you buy at IKEA, nah go bad like that one here. So anybody where they are England and they are America, know what I mean about that part there. What we do, you might notch out that part of your stuff, and cut out the wall of this so that the chair can slide under the table. And on top of the table, we're going to have one when I cut out none at all. So that way there, I can build all the way I build on top of the table. I mean, I normally work on computer, I fix computer, I build computer, fix laptop, with the whole heap of circuit design. So I have to use like a microcontroller. Sometimes I want a nice flat surface for just spread out everything on and build the circuit and test it quickly. Otherwise, we have to move everything off of the table I have now and do it. Grandpa, set up a little thing. I'm going to come with the camera. Go on again, Grandpa. Talk again.
Grandpa, set up a little table. For the sun, you know? So Grandpa do everything. Quick. And I set back this again. 4 cm. I'm good.
So I'm going to use a straight edge there to try and set it because the saw have a 4 cm gap between the border and the blade. That's how I go?
Yeah, the edge, yeah?
Yeah, the edge. So basically a straight edge is to cut where you cut, you know? Oh, I think this is cut now. I work out.
I'm on the blade I rub against it.
So yes, so cut out already, come straight back. The part you cut out come straight back, and I'm going to do the part for the line there. So we can knock out the part. So the blackberry bush this. That bush was the blackberry one though.
Real grandpa something like that.
Yeah, the grandpa man. And notch out now. So this was what, 27 inches across, same as the one here. So one here already, the same thing notch out again. So when I put in the chair, I have a shelf at the bottom and a shelf on top of that. So when I slide in the chair, you can just go straight in and we not have no problem.
And take a go around it. Great big leg then, you can set up something for it. So you can stop it. Set up something for it. Cut the leg then.
The blade can run through that, you have to go around on the side and come back on the next side.
Yes, I'm just want to set up.
Yeah, a 60 come, no, not the 20 difference one. So 20, 40. So this can use now, as I said for the little top. This can cut in a tool. No, I mean for the top shelf. This one I would have put on the top of the corner then. Or it's still too sharp.
I'll get some strip out of that.
Oh, that's out of the 20. But you cut the 20 already. Oh, that's how it come.
Side coming.
No.
What is it for the
fridge that though.
fridge?
Yeah.
Step it out. Them, yeah? So then gonna eat it for broke.
No matter, once the...
Because the side that I put them in, use back this. Because what we really want, the weight of it. So we just want to frame it up. So I'm saying instead of a dash use the frame.
Oh, I use about this for the...
Yeah.
Okay, so this would be the bottom piece then.
Yeah.
And screw the wheel on this.
And then we just bust up this. Done. Cut off 80 and 5. Split it back in a 2. The bed snap. So that's what I use back in 2 piece to well. So we find a frame it up.
So what yes or no? This will take up on the one. The leg them.
And we'll start at the leg in from the start side. Let's stop it, no.
No, it's still around. And just chop out. So means that saw blade they can run through the leg then?
Yeah, that's another setup something.
When you say set up something, what that mean?
I'll show you what I want. Love. Take up that, I'll show you.
So you use back them the feet then. You will see a piece of it. On either side of it.
I'll show you the side of the shoe.
Engineer got engineer of something now when you can use the circular saw, the normal and circular saw. I'm going to screw it down on them 2 pieces of board there. For roll it, I'm going to flip it over and turn it on and use it as a normal table saw. So the same one circular saw, I'm going to come back and be a circular saw and a table saw in a one. So people, when I say that, again, under your saw is a normal circular saw, right? So under the circular saw now, when do him screw down the circular saw upon a piece of board there, upon them 2 pieces of board there, we turn it in a table saw, and him screw down that piece of board there use as a straight edge, and exactly what, 24 cm? 20 cm, because we want the leg them leg here, to be 20 cm, so that the shelf and where we are built, we only need them about 20 cm, because we have some things to slide under there. We're not going to be more than 20. I think them are 18, but we build it 20 just so them can slide under easy and take out easy. So again, we Grandpa build a table saw with a circular saw, makeshift table saw. And now what am I going to do? I'm going to use the tape there and tie the trigger of the saw. So when you tie the trigger of the saw now, you know, so once you plug it in, it will start to run same time. So that is basically the switch for the table saw. And I tell you, yes, when you have certain things, your brain start tick more, because if you did their workshop and have everything, you just turn on and run and that's it. Ingenuity when you have certain things, but that's how it always go.
One out there, so support a piece and one out there, so.
Okay.
And there's 2 here.
Yeah. So you now have nothing behind this at the bottom? Or that alright?
No, that's alright.
Alright, so people, I'm gonna have one leg under here, so. This at the top, one leg at the bottom here, so. One leg at the bottom here, so. So that means it gonna have the support here, so. Down on the normal foot down there, so. One here, so, and one over there, so as well. What you normally do? Push first or pull first?
Pull.
Pull first. Grandpa tell me, say, no, buy the tool, people. Me see the tool, you know. And Grandpa said, nah, man.
strip up this. And see them one there. I'll show them one there. I'm gonna cut up. That. I'll cut the strip. I'm gonna put.
Hold on, go on again. I'll get the strip and do it.
Put the strips up. I'll put piece of strip here, here, here,
Why?
here.
Why you put the strip?
So the second one I'm gonna put on the leg them and I go fit inside of this.
Okay.
So when you want move, you just lift off. You don't have to screw now. You just lift it off and it's gone. So make it easy for you, that's me. So when you're ready to move it, you don't have to pull up and hold it or screw.
And people, England is a place where, unless you own your house where you want one from day one, you have to go move again.
Someday down the line, you got to move. That's yours. Let's hold this.
And get what you need, watch it. Perfectly square. So we'll get a single table saw out of a circular saw.
So the leg fit inside there, so. So it can't come so, can't go so. Because two over down there, so, and two there, so.
So you have to back it in so you not slide.
It can't slide, because it's over there, so.
Right there the front as well.
And it's over there, so.
Okay.
Right, that, you know, draw the table, so.
A plant pot, the man I call table, you know. Carbon fiber plant pot. So carpenter, what you do now?
So, screw on and strip here. That's when I put on the next lid.
Show how the leg will go in it.
Put on them strip here, the leg will fit in yourself. Yeah.
So that means we don't have to screw down the leg.
Nah, screw down the leg, we just lift off. This can go neither left, nor right, nor front, nor back. And we're done with paint it, because we don't spray in England. Paint them say England. Everything I paint. All the people in them paint.
Them have one thing of your name spray tan in our truth, you know. So you know me either go a beach go get to tan. Them spray on the tan.
If we have to clamp them down the road now, if I do this.
If you do what?
Just the spring clamp them. Let us glue it as lock on the spring clamp on it, because the glue will dry quick.
So why you bore it for first? Why you bore it?
Because the board is soft and I want to split. If we just run the screw in it straight, that will split it. So you pre-bore it first.
Alright people, now we go broke down the edge them. Because when I buy them board them, I'm sure now. We can use this. When I buy them board here, the edge them well sharp. So you see that? If you run up in that with your toe, your foot, your hand, your elbow, anything, it can buff your hand and your foot.
Welcome to Run Trouble Hub, father and son.
This is it, people.
He's Ron, I am Ron. He's father, but I am son.
Kick us yesterday again now.
Yep. See Liverpool Street there? So this is where you come.